Hello, welcome to my Gambian kitchen, from our table to yours. Today we have a super easy pasta recipe. In 45 minutes you are done. This pasta recipe is very budget friendly. It's simple, very simple ingredients to use, quick and easy, a very comforting food. So I just started with putting some oil in my pot, not a lot of oil. Then I'm just gonna go ahead, put some onion and just let it cook until the onions are all disintegrated. Then I went ahead and added some tomato paste. This is super easy and just full of flavor. So you can just go ahead and watch along. Just use all your favorite spices. I added some garlic powder, some onion powder. It's up to you. And you can also use any pasta you like. Just add the pasta. If you have chicken broth or beef broth, use that instead of water. You'll see that in this recipe I used water because I had no access to any kind of broth. So this is so easy. The regular recipe, people would boil their pasta separate. No, I don't do that sometimes. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't do. But this is just full of flavor. I was in so much hurry. I'm like, you know what? I sometimes cook my beans like this. Let me try it. And this is just great, just great. So just let it boil until the pasta is done. Then you can go ahead and just add your tomato sauce. This point you can just lower the heat a little bit since the pasta is done. Added the tomato sauce. If you feel like adding more tomato sauce, you can go ahead. I added 2 cans. Then check your salt just to make sure the salt level is okay. And I added some cheese. You can add any cheese, honestly. It doesn't matter what cheese you put. It's just gonna turn out so perfect. This was really good. If you want, you can also add any protein and cook the pasta with protein. But we had some protein in the fridge, some grilled chicken. So that's what I paired it with. It was so good. From this point, you can put it in the oven just to make it crispy. If not, it's still perfect. Please try this recipe at home, especially working moms or just busy moms. This was just so comforting, super great. You can make salad and eat it with salad. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.